up because when Mr. Beast messes up, he does it in explosive style. Next stop, Monkey Island. $1 million paradise packed not with luxury, but with hundreds of monkeys. Odie, the sneaky orange thieving monkey, sets the tone. These primates are hustlers. They'll charm you, gaslight you, then rob you blind. Jimmy loses his orange. Nolan loses his hat. Chris, probably his sanity. Even the cabanas over the water aren't safe. They're shared with the monkeys. But plot twist, Monkey Island isn't even a real island. It's just plant roots tangled into a floating illusion. Still, it feels more alive than any 5-star hotel. Forget beaches. The next island is a frozen slab of pain. Temperatures drop to 0. Snow covers everything. So, how do you get there? Hovercrafts. In the dead of winter, Jimmy and the crew race across the frozen lake, diving into futuristic heated huts just to survive.